Hi, Coach Patrick here. And in the next 10 minutes, I want to reveal to you my transformation formula to help you lose body fat without feeling miserable, without going to the gym, without going on a crazy diet. So this is for you if you've tried multiple diets in the past only to gain the weight right back. This is for you if you bought a gym membership, paid for the whole year, but end up going once or twice. This is for you if you're feeling unmotivated, feeling unhealthy, lacking confidence. And this is definitely for you if you're feeling embarrassed because you can't fit into your old clothes. Since we're going to be spending the next 10 minutes together, I want to give you a quick introduction of who I am. I'm the author of Weight Loss Detox. You can get a free copy when you click the link below. I own 2 personal training studios in East Vancouver. We're the #1 personal training studio here. We've been recognized as one of the top gyms across North America. Over the last 5 years, I've trained thousands of people. And if you search me up on Facebook and Google, you'll notice I have hundreds of 5-star reviews. I'm a weight loss coach, nutrition coach, and personal trainer. Let's go ahead and look at some of the reviews that we have. This is Carlos over here. He says, I've been in the best shape of my life thanks to Perform and Transform. Before this, I was in the worst shape. I was going to the emergency. I had heart problems. I had sleep apnea. Patrick helped me turn my health around this year. He's helped me lose weight. He's kept me accountable. I've even noticed noticeable gains. My girlfriend loves it. This is Nika over here. As of today, I've lost 20 pounds. Patrick has really helped me lose weight on my journey and my pursuit of living a healthy lifestyle. And so if you don't believe me, search me up. I literally have hundreds of testimonials. And so I get it, right? Patrick, I've lost weight before, but I just can't keep it off. I hate being on a diet. I don't have that motivation to stay consistent. I'm busy. I don't have time. Or I've had personal trainers. I've joined other programs. I've had a gym membership, but I got 0 results. And so this is some of our other clients that we're able to help. This is Don Davies. You might know him in East Vancouver. He represents the NDP. Over the last 10 years, he's lost 30 pounds. This is Ron. He's lost 50 pounds with us. He's a detox manager. This is Rosie. She was preparing to get married and she lost 30 pounds for her big day. And this is Andrea. She's lost 20 pounds with us. She's a grade 5 teacher. And so if you're tired of doing it the hard way, doing tons of cardio, going to the gym with no plan and feeling embarrassed and intimidated because you don't know what to do, you don't know specific exercises for your body, for your fitness goal, you're tired of starving yourself, you're tired of going on these restrictive diets, you're tired of being inconsistent, and you're just flat out stuck and frustrated on your weight loss. I get it. Like growing up, I really struggled with my confidence. I really struggled with my body image as well. I had a bunch of acne. I had a bunch of pimples. I was called ugly. I was called pimple face. And this really affected my confidence. Every time I go out, I would feel embarrassed. I would feel ashamed. And fast forward in university, I hit rock bottom. My pants didn't fit anymore. I gained a bunch of weight and I knew I needed to make a change. And so fast forward over the last 10 years, I've dedicated my life to transforming as many lives as I can through fitness, through my transformation system of teaching people how they can eat what they want, exercise on their own terms, enjoy the whole process while losing weight and more importantly, keeping that weight off forever. And so I've cracked the code, guys. This is Carly. Before our program, Carly, you can see that she was struggling with her belly fat. She's lost 30 pounds and now she has abs. And the crazy thing is she can eat what she wants as long as she follows the basic principles. She works full-time in film, crazy 12-hour days. And so she doesn't have time to exercise every day. So she exercises on her terms and she does the things that you enjoy. Because if you enjoy eating your food, if you enjoy doing your exercises, not only will you have success in the short term, more importantly, you're going to have success in the long term. How we're able to do this is by giving you my transformation system. So we perfected a system to help you lose body fat, tone up, and more importantly, keep that weight off forever. And how we're able to do this is by building something I call automatic habits. Now, automatic habits, it's kind of like brushing your teeth. You probably brush your teeth every day, right? I brush my teeth twice a day, right? And growing up, it probably took months, if not years, of your parents nagging you, hey, Julie, hey, Maria, hey, Suzanne, like brush your teeth, brush your teeth. And after that, now it's become a habit that we can do for the rest of your life, right? So if we can build an automatic habit with not only your fitness, but your nutrition, not only will you have success in the short term, you're going to have success in the long term as well. Does that make sense? And so I want to share with you a quick little video on some of our clients and how they're able to see success.
Hi, my name is Clay. I've been coming to Perform and Transform for the past 6 months. When I first came here, I knew I was drinking too much pop, eating too much sugar. So I want to get healthier in all areas of my life, physically, spiritually, emotionally, and mentally. So I find that when I'm here, I feel like I can accomplish all things.
Hi, my name is Jillian, and I've been going to Perform and Transform for almost a year now. I've never really honestly been healthy in my life, and I could never do it on my own. They keep me accountable. I tried losing weight on my own before, going to the gym by myself, I could never do it. Being with them, they hold me accountable, they check up on me, they text me, they follow up, ask how my week is going, and that there is the change that made me lose weight.
I've lost more than 20 pounds. I have much more flexibility. I've been doing sit-ups. I even did 210 in a row. That's a lot.
I lost 10 pounds. I lost 10 pounds of fat. It's really good. He helped me with an awareness of what food is comprised of and how it affects your body. He helped me portion out proteins, fat, and carbohydrates, and really have a good understanding of those calories and how they affect my body.
I lost 50 pounds and that was a big deal for me. I've kept it off. I didn't think that was possible. I have more energy. I feel so much better afterwards. I'm not so tired all the time. As far as nutrition, it just helped me eat better, have a balanced diet. That's what it's all about, balance.
I have lost 15 pounds and I feel amazing. I'm toning my body. We're working on my arms, my core, and my legs. My nutrition is better. My energy is better. I can't wait to see what the next 5 months is going to bring. I'm so excited. I highly recommend Perform and Transform.
Come check out Perform and Transform.
Come check out Perform and Transform.
Come check out Perform and Transform.
I invite you to come check out Perform and Transform. You won't be disappointed.
Perform and transform. Now imagine if you can lose weight and keep it off forever. Wouldn't you like that? Tons of our clients love it. This is Julie. She's lost over 10 pounds. She's a busy mom. She has 2 kids. She works 2 full-time jobs, and she was still able to incorporate healthy exercise, healthy nutrition in an automatic way. This is Frida. Frida's a full-time nurse. The crazy part is she's 60 years old. Most people, including herself, thought that she wasn't able to lose weight because of her age, but she did, following the transformation system. This is Alfie. Alfie, he's a busy dad. He's an author. He's a CEO. He has 2 young girls. He's lost 30 pounds to get ready for his big photo shoot on his debut on his new book. This is Camille. She's a young professional. She's a dental hygienist. She's lost 10 pounds. She looks shredded. She has a big smile. She loves our program. And so I'll share with you a few more testimonials over here on my Instagram. So if you not already follow me, go ahead and give me a follow, patrick.liu.ptform. I have free recipes here for you. I have workouts. Again, this is Julie. This is Mary Grace. This is Abby. This is Frida. This is Beth. This is Alfie. This is Matt. This is Rebecca. This is Michelle. And the list goes on. We have hundreds of transformations over here. Follow me on Instagram and you'll see more. Going back to the presentation, all of these people, they weren't special, but they have one common desire. They believe that they deserve to have the life, health, and body that they desperately wanted. And so I want to invite you to have a free strategy call with me. It's 10 minutes. There's no pressure at all. I want to walk you through my proven tips, strategies, and techniques and give you my transformation formula so that you too can have the same success. And if we decide that we're a good fit and we want to work together, I'm going to be giving you a customized meal plan of foods that you enjoy. Because if you enjoy eating food, not only will you see success in the short term, you're going to see success in the long term. I'm going to give you a customized workout plan that fits for your lifestyle, that fits with you of exercise you enjoy doing. I'm going to check in on you every single day until you build those automatic habits. And if you do those things, I can guarantee you results. And if you don't get the results that you're looking for, I will train you again for free until you do. No other trainer, no nutritionist, not even a doctor is going to guarantee results. I will, because I've helped thousands of people. I know what works. The only catch is you got to put in the work. And so there's no reason to continue to do this on your own, to waste time, to waste money, to get 0 results. And if you've already figured it out, then you wouldn't be watching this video trying to figure out a solution. And so will this really work for me? If you brush your teeth every day The answer is yes, because you proved to yourself, you proved to me that you're capable of building those automatic habits. You just need the right structure, the right system, and the right accountability to help you build those automatic habits. Now, is this solution for everybody? No. If you're looking for a quick fix, if you're looking for something that's free, something that's low cost, get a gym membership, watch some videos on YouTube. My solution is going to be a permanent one-time solution to fix your weight problem for good so that you can lose the weight and then keep it off forever and not have to ever worry about your weight ever again. So again, I want to invite you to have a free 10-minute strategy call with me and my team. Click the link below, and I'm looking forward to chatting with you over the phone. Thanks for watching this whole presentation. I hope you got a lot of value out of this, and thanks for allowing us to transform your life through fitness.